Guys, Steven's Cat, Widespread Panic Guitar Lesson. Some of that stuff, and then there's a bridge in there. I'm gonna show you that part and the transition. Okay, so it's gonna start basically with the G bar chord to a F sharp minor or G flat. There's a minor, so I'm just lifting this finger up. Major bar chord, half step up, minor bar chord, big A. And that's the intro, and they also do that to exit the song on the recordings I saw. So okay, so then we've got a oops. Okay, now watch that. I know that's right. Great chords. The key to this part is you're going to do an F chord fingering, where you bar these two, and then and we're just going to take an F. If you know an F, I'm saying that to make it easier for folks. Go down, and we're gonna bar 5th fret, pointer finger. Then we're gonna take our birdie finger on the G string 6, and then ring finger on the D string 7. And we're gonna do a practice that. 1, 2. Okay, and then we're gonna do a B minor 7 fingering. And we're really, when we're doing this lick, the trick to this lick is you're only going to hit 3 strings. You're going to approach 3 strings, B, G, and D. So like, okay, so with this one, we just bar the 2nd fret, and then we're going to take our birdie finger on the 3rd fret, B string, skip a string, go the D string 4th with the ring finger. So that, my friends, is the same as an E chord, just brought down a half step. And so the way we do that chord is we're going to take our pointer finger on the G string 2nd fret, ring finger, D string 3rd, birdie finger, A string 3rd. And again, we're only going to hit these 3 strings here. B, G, D. So close it with the big A. Okay, so that's how you get through that part. Then it rolls into the verse, which is we're going to start with a D minor bar chord. Bar in the 5th, birdie on the B string 6, pinky on the G string 7th, ring finger on the D string 7th. So that's just a G chord, G bar chord. So it does that D minor to G major. Okay. You can do it up here. I think when I saw it, even Herring was doing the open chord. Big F, C. Okay, so again, F, F, C, C. Okay, and then we're going to go to an A minor. doing an A minor bar chord. You can probably see that. And some of these chords, just for speed, I mean, you should have a chord chart up. You can Google it. You can say, you know, if you just Google A minor chord, it'll show you this chord. But that's how the fingering goes if you need help. Okay, so it's A minor D. Or up here. That's the second sequence. C, C, G, G. Okay? Actually, it's got one of those. Okay, so look. A minor D, A minor D, A minor D, A minor D. Okay, so that lick there, I mean, you could just simplify it and you could go C, 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 G, C, 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 G, C, 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 G. But one of the guitars is going, that's an AC/DC lick, or a lot of licks, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the C bar chord, and we're going to take this pointer finger, and we're going to stretch it up, see, to G. And then the second time it goes, through that sequence one more time, real slow. D minor G, D minor G, F, C, C, D minor G, D minor G, D minor G, F, F, C, C, A minor D, A minor D, A minor D, C, G, E, and then it's going to come right back in to the verse. Then after it goes to the verse the second time, it's going to do again twice. Okay, and then it does a bridge. And I've redone this lesson a few times because I had to figure this bridge out, and I was able to find a video of it close. I'm not going to do the lead guitar. I'm going to show you the rhythm to the bridge, and then I think if you got that, you can doodle. But it's going to start with an F sharp minor, F to F major, to D, so it's basically that's that little bridge in the middle. So it's F sharp minor, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to the F, 2, 3, 4, to the D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, and then that one is a E7, E7. So you're gonna bar. You know, the E, that's just, that's just a G bar chord. Okay, and then this is a E7 bar chord. And what you're doing there is you're just taking the 7th fret and barring it, and then you're putting your pinky on the B string, what is that, 9th fret, and then you're skipping a string and you're going to the D string 9th fret to make an E7 down there. So it's a, I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, then after it does that bridge, it goes back into a verse, but it skips to the second sequence. So when you come out of that bridge, go to the A minor, to D, and then it's going to go back into the intro, not the intro, the second intro. And I'm hearing some minor pentatonics in A. I think the first bend you hear, you're going to go and get in the A minor pentatonic formation on the B string, on the was that 8th fret. Some of that stuff, and he jams out, and it keeps with this intro out, second intro out, and then it closes with, which is the intro, G, F sharp minor, A. That's it. That's the song. Pretty true to form. If I'm missing something on it, it's not much, so that should get you through it. Enjoy it.